Here's our chemistry team again.
Yeah.
We're getting ready to show you how to distill some water, purify it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right. So you're going to get a beaker, and we're going to pour some nasty water in it.
Nasty water.
Nasty. Not
Yeah.
so good.
And it's going to have solids and liquids for contaminants, and their job is to get pure distilled water out of it in the end.
Yes.
So,
I mean to come up with clean water.
right. So in your book, you've read about some strategies for separating mixtures, and we have a podcast about it, right? So we want to point out a few safety features. You'll probably use a Bunsen burner and a ring stand. I just want to remind my students that everything that gets heated from a Bunsen burner tends to get hot.
Yes.
Whether it's the glassware or the wire or the ring stand and the ring, those are going to get hot. Don't touch them with bare hands.
Yeah. I have one student this morning touch the hot plate.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
not good.
They found out not to do that.
Yep. We also are probably going to need some beaker tongs.
Right.
Movies.
Beaker
Yeah.
tongs. Right,
Yeah.
and some oven mitts
Yep.
would be a good idea.
This would be good.
Another thing we want to talk about is this wire mesh. This is to support your glassware when it's on the ring stand. It's not to filter out solids.
No.
These
You'll
are
get more solids in it.
right, right. So these are not for filtering anything out. We have coffee filters for that.
And they're going to use that in this activity,
You
right?
can use coffee filters. Your coffee filter should be enclosed in a funnel, not just held in your hands.
Yeah, because
Right.
nasty water. You don't want that.
Easier to control it as well.
Right,
Yep.
exactly. Other safety features, we want to talk about the tubing.
Right. Absolutely.
You'll see some of our stoppers have holes in them, like this one, and this has a hole too. It's a single hole stopper.
Yes.
We put glass tubing in some of these. If you find one that doesn't have glass tubing, you, the student, are not allowed
You are
to
not going to use
insert
it.
a glass tube into there yourself. Right? Use the ones that already have the tubing. And if your rubber hose is too short, let your teacher know. We can find a longer tube,
Yep.
but don't cut a long tube to make it shorter. That
Right.
would just,
Do not cut long.
Yes.
yeah.
And
that would
also,
create some mess.
if it's dry and cracky, don't use it.
Right.
As
Yeah, those won't be safe for us to use.
Not at all.
Okay, can you think of anything else for the purification of water? Oh, I know what. This is the one where they have to come up with the procedure themselves. We're not
Yes.
telling them how to do it.
No, We're
Okay.
just showing them some equipment.
Right.
Yep.
So you'll have a list of equipment that you can choose from. But
and they're going to come up with their own procedure.
yeah, you
How
have
you're
to
going to distill
tell step by step
water.
what to do.
Yep.
Great.
Okay.
Good. So you guys will clean up after yourselves and be safe.
Absolutely.